Transporting guns securely and conveniently in your truck is essential for safety and accessibility. Let's explore the top 5 gun racks designed to meet these needs. At number 5, the Allen Rear Window Gun Holder offers a simple yet effective solution for holding 2 guns. Its adjustable design fits most truck rear windows, and users appreciate its ease of installation. However, some have noted that it may not accommodate firearms with larger scopes. Overall, it's a practical choice for standard rifles and shotguns. Coming in fourth, the Big Sky Overhead Gun Rack provides a secure overhead storage option. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, it ensures durability and can hold 2 firearms. Users praise its sturdy build and the efficient use of space. Installation requires drilling, which might be a consideration for some. It's ideal for those seeking a permanent and robust solution. Ranked third, the MYDAYS Seat Back Gun Rack offers versatility by hanging behind the seat. It's capable of holding 2 rifles or shotguns and includes pockets for accessories. Users appreciate its affordability and ease of installation without tools. Some mention that it may not be suitable for heavier firearms. It's a convenient option for quick access and additional storage. In second place, the Great Day Overhead Gun Rack is known for its solid construction and secure holding capacity. Designed to fit various vehicles, it holds 2 firearms in a cushioned, secure manner. Users commend its stability and the protection it offers to firearms. Installation is straightforward, though it may require minor adjustments. It's a reliable choice for those prioritizing firearm security. Topping our list, the Truck Rear Window Gun Rack by Allen combines ease of use with secure storage. It holds 3 guns and is adjustable to fit most truck models. Users highlight its sturdy construction and the convenience of keeping firearms within reach while maximizing space. Installation is tool-free, making it accessible for all users. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a balance between accessibility and security. Choosing the right gun rack enhances both safety and convenience during transport. Consider these top picks to find the best fit for your truck and firearm needs. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.